Hello students, obviously we have finished solid states. Today we are going to start with the new topic from organic chemistry. Very important topic, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Obviously we have studied one topic from organic chemistry already, that is halogen derivatives. Okay, so that topic was also very important. Now today we are going to start with the new topic which is very important as far as organic chemistry is concerned, because we are going to study three different types of the compounds, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay, so obviously definitely ह्या जो टॉपिक असणार आहे याला वेटेज सुद्धा त्याच प्रकारे असणार आहे, जास्त असणार आहे. सो इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट as far as your 12th syllabus is concerned. Okay, so let's start with the alcohols. So first of all we are going to see the introduction of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So let's start with the alcohols. Okay, what is meant by alcohols? पहिल्यांदा शिकण्याचा प्रयत्न करूया. ठीक आहे. Alcohols are basically organic compounds in which the molecules contains hydroxyl group directly attached to the saturated carbon, or we can say that carbon atom. Okay, so here hydroxyl group is a main functional group, or we can say that in other words, alcohols are hydroxyl derivatives. Hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons. ठीक है, डिटेल मध्ये जर आपण याचा स्टडी करायचं झाला तर आताच सांगितल्याप्रमाणे these are the organic compounds in which molecules contains hydroxyl group that is OH group. Very important. Hydroxyl group म्हणजे काय? OH group directly attached to saturated carbon. ठीक है? So basically these compounds contain hydroxyl group as a main functional group. Simply, these are the derivatives of hydrocarbon in which hydrogen atom is replaced by OH group, that is hydroxyl group. Is it clear? So आपण लास्ट जे 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये हायड्रोकार्बन स्टडी केले होते, अल्केन्स, अल्किन्स अँड अल्काइन्स, त्यांच्यामध्ये असणारा हायड्रोजन ॲटम जर आपण OH ग्रुपने रिप्लेस केला तर जे कंपाऊंड आपल्याला मिळेल त्याला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? अल्कोहोल असं म्हणणार आहे. ओके, सो बेसिकली जर आपण सिम्पली हे मांडायचा प्रयत्न केला, वी ऑल नो अल्केन्स. अल्केन्स म्हणजे काय? अल्किल ग्रुप आणि त्याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन ॲटम. इफ दिस हायड्रोजन ॲटम इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय OH, then we get the alcohols. These are alkanes. अल्केन्स मध्ये हा जो H ॲटम आहे इट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय OH. जर आपण एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं झालं तर सिंपल एक्झाम्पल घेऊयात आपण CH4 मधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम जर आपण रिप्लेस केला OH ने, we'll get CH3OH. okay, CH3OH. so this is methane and it is the alcohol of methane. so this group is methyl group, alkyl group आहे. मिथिन काय सांगा अल्कोहोल, और IUPAC मध्ये आपण याला मिथेनॉल म्हणतो, शिकायचं आपल्याला, but I will just write it here. So simply hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbon in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by OH group. One or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by OH group. Is it clear? So simple है, hydrogen atom हा OH group ने replace होणार आहे आणि हा OH group आपला main functional group असणार आहे. That is called hydroxyl group. Is it clear? Quite simple. Now let's go further. How they are represented? General representation of cells. ROH. ROH. ठीक है? आणि obviously जो functional group आहे, it is nothing but the OH, that is hydroxyl. Here hydroxyl group is a main or functional group, we can say that. In alcohols, a functional group is the hydroxyl group, that is OH group. It determines the characters of these particular compounds. ह्या compounds चे character determine करण्याचं काम कोण करणार आहे सांगा चला पटकन. हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप करणार आहे, OH ग्रुप करणार आहे. जर आपण याचे एक्झाम्पल लिहायचं झालं तर सिंपल आहे. बघा लक्ष द्यावे की सपोज मी इथे दोन कार्बन ॲटम असणारा अल्केन घेतलं, CH3 म्हणजे इथेन, यू ऑल नो दॅट. फक्त एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम कशाने रिप्लेस केला सांगा, OH. नाउ this OH group is attached to the carbon atom. That is why it is called as alcohol. Okay, because of this particular bond, OH group is attached to the carbon. That is why it is called as alcohol. हे जे कंपाउंड आहे, दोन कार्बन ॲटम आहेत, हे 3 हायड्रोजन्स, इकडे 3 हायड्रोजन्स असतात, एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम रिप्लेस झालाय OH ने. So it is nothing but the ethyl alcohol, or sometimes we call it as a ethanol, IUPAC मध्ये. So I hope you have understood what is meant by alcohols. Alcohols म्हणजे काय आहेत की जिथे OH ग्रुप हा कार्बनला अटॅच असतो, ठीक आहे, डायरेक्टली. such compounds are called as alcohols. Okay, functional group OH आहे, general representation ROH असतं, ठीक आहे. सो हे अल्कोहोल्स ऑब्वियसली याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा फंक्शनल ग्रुप हा ॲलिफॅटिक मध्ये आणि एरोमॅटिक मध्ये, ठीक आहे. म्हणजे ओपन चेन कंपाउंड्स मध्ये असेल तर वेगळ्या प्रकारे, एरोमॅटिक मध्ये असेल तर वेगळ्या प्रकारे. सो हे आपण अल्कोहोल स्टडी करतो. तसेच आपल्याला फिनॉल स्टडी करायचं, जे ऑब्वियसली एरोमॅटिक रिंग जी असणार आहे, बेन्झीन रिंग असणार आहे, त्या बेन्झीन रिंगला जर OH ग्रुप डायरेक्टली अटॅच असेल तर ते जे कंपाउंड्स असणार आहेत त्यांना आपण काय म्हणणार आहे सांगा, फिनॉल्स. सो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट टाइप, that is phenols. Quite simple. Let's try to understand what is meant by phenols. Okay, these are the compounds, organic compounds, we can say that. Okay, these are the organic compounds in which hydroxyl group, that is OH group, is directly attached to benzene ring, simple, or aromatic ring, we can say that. These are the organic compounds in which hydroxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring, or we can say that these are alcohols, but where they are linked to the aromatic ring. इकडे ते aliphatic chain ला लिंक होते hydroxyl group, इकडे जो hydroxyl group है तो aromatic ring ला attached होता. Is it clear? But they are not aromatic alcohols. These are phenols. Aromatic alcohols काय ते पण शिकणार आहे. These are phenols basically. So let's try to understand what is meant by phenols. Okay, so this is the benzene ring, and here OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. So that is why they are called as phenols, or sometimes they are also called as benzenols. Did you understand? Benzenols. ठीक है. So हे phenols म्हणू शकतो का benzenols पण म्हणू शकतो आपण याला. अंडरस्टूड? म्हणजे सिंपल आहे. आपण अजूनही याचे एक्झाम्पल्स ड्रॉ करू शकतो. जे नॅफ्थलीन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जर OH हा डायरेक्टली अटॅच असेल रिंगला, ठीक आहे, तरी सुद्धा आपण याला काय म्हणतो सांगा, फिनॉल. हे सुद्धा फिनॉलच, ठीक आहे. फिनॉल म्हणजे बेन्झेनॉल्स आपण त्याला कॉल करू शकतो. इज इट क्लिअर? सो क्वाइट सिंपल आहे. OH ग्रुप हा डायरेक्टली रिंगला अटॅच असेल तर त्या कंपाउंड्स आपण म्हणणार आहे फिनॉल्स. देयर इज वन मोर टाइप ऑफ द कंपाउंड्स कॅरिंग OH ग्रुप, that is aromatic alcohols. So we have studied alcohols, we have studied phenols. Now we have to study aromatic alcohols. Now what is meant by aromatic alcohols? It is quite simple. The compounds, organic compounds in which OH group is attached, hydroxyl group is attached to the side chain of the aromatic compound or aromatic ring. So quite simply, these are the compounds, organic compounds in which hydroxyl group, that is OH, is attached to the side chain of aromatic ring. Aromatic ring जी साइड चेन असणार आहे त्या साइड चेनला जर OH ग्रुप हा अटॅच्ड असेल then that compound is called as aromatic alcohol. तर त्या कंपाऊंडला आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत aromatic alcohol. लगेच एक्झाम्पल इथे मी ड्रॉ करतो. aromatic ring आहे इथे CH2 आहे आणि त्याला OH अटॅच्ड आहे. सो aromatic ring आहे आणि ही जी साइड चेन आहे त्याला OH ग्रुप अटॅच्ड आहे. इज इट क्लियर? ही जी साइड चेन आहे त्याला काय अटॅच्ड आहे OH ग्रुप अटॅच्ड आहे. सो दिस compound is called as aromatic alcohol. Name of this compound is benzyl alcohol. We can call it as a. ठीक है? आपण सध्या तरी कॉमन नेम्स त्यांचे लिहितोय पण पुढे जाऊन तुम्हाला त्याचा डिटेल्स येणार आहे. What is common names? What are IUPAC names? Different ways of naming them. So alcohols, phenols, aromatic alcohols, finished. Now last part from this particular chapter, that is ethers. Very important one. We are going to study ethers. Ethers, it is quite simple. Ethers काय बघा आपण हे organic oxides. Ethers are organic oxides. Ethers are organic oxides. Here the oxygen atom is linked to the two alkyl groups. Ethers are organic compounds in which oxygen atom is linked to the two alkyl or aryl or one alkyl and one alkyl. Okay, so ethers are the organic compounds in which oxygen atom is linked to the alkyls or two alkyls or two aryls or one alkyl and one aryl. म्हणजे बेसिकली इकडे बघा सर्वांनी जर आपण यांचं जनरल रिप्रेझेंटेशन पाहिलं हे बघा ROR. So alkyl group, oxygen and alkyl group किंवा aryl group, oxygen and aryl group or alkyl group, oxygen and aryl group. So दोन्ही alkyl प्रेझेंट असू शकतात, दोन्ही aryl प्रेझेंट असू शकतात, दोन्ही एक alkyl एक aryl प्रेझेंट असू शकतो. So these are types of the compounds are called as ethers. We can also call them as a derivatives of alcohols in which hydrogen atom of the alcohol is replaced by alkyl group. Simply, हे बघा, we can also call them as a derivatives of alcohol. Here ROH. If this H atom is replaced by alkyl group, then we will get ROR. So they are like alcohols. They are derived from the alcohols. We can say that. ठीक है? So they are also derivatives of the alcohols. आपण असं म्हणू शकतो ते derivatives of alcohols. किंवा derivatives of water molecule in which both the hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl group. Derivatives of water molecule in which both the alkyl group are replaced, both the hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl groups. Is it clear? So these are ethers. काय ते सांगा चला पटकन ethers आहे. आपण एक्झाम्पल जर लिहायचं झालं त्यांचं तर सिम्पली लिहू शकतो एक्झाम्पल CH3OCH3 दोन्ही alkyl groups आहेत. ठीक है? We can call them as a dimethyl ether. इकडे मिथिल ग्रुप आहे, इकडे मिथिल ग्रुप आहे. So you can call it as a dimethyl ether. Is it clear? If there is one methyl, there is one ethyl, then you can call different alkyl groups, that is ethyl, methyl, ether. Okay? CH3O C2H5. There is ethyl group, there is methyl group. We can write names of both these alkyl groups in alphabetical order. So that is ethyl, methyl, ether. सिंपल है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज डाइमिथिल ईथर, दिस इज इथिल मिथिल ईथर। नाउ I will tell you classification of ethers here. Classification of ethers. Ethers are of two types. Ethers are of two types. That is symmetrical ether and unsymmetrical ether. Try to understand what I am saying. Ethers are of two types. That is symmetrical ether and unsymmetrical ether. Symmetrical means carrying same alkyl groups, and unsymmetrical means carrying different alkyl groups. So this is nothing but symmetrical ether. And this is unsymmetrical ether, because one alkyl group is methyl and another alkyl group is ethyl. Here both the alkyl groups are same, that is methyl. So if both the alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atoms are same, then that ether is called as symmetrical ether. And if one alkyl group or both the alkyl groups are different to each other, then the ether is called as unsymmetrical. Simple definition. If both the alkyl groups are same, then the ether is called symmetrical ether, and if both the groups are different, then the ether is called as unsymmetrical ether. Is it clear? So in this way we have studied the introductory part of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay, now let's try to understand or try to study classification of the alcohols. So next point is classification of alcohols. Okay, so classification of the alcohols, we are going to study the classification of the alcohols. Okay, now first of all, first way of classifying alcohols, first one is depending upon number of OH groups. Did you get that? Depending upon number of OH groups present in the compound. Classification part of alcohols. First way of classifying them is depending upon the number of OH groups. There are three types. First one is monohydric alcohols. As the name suggests, carrying only one OH group. Simple. CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. Monohydric means what? Alcohols which carries, alcohols or phenols which carries only one OH group are called as monohydric alcohols or phenols. जो obviously आपण हे alcohols आणि phenols दोघांना 9 types apply करू शकतो. Monohydric alcohols or phenols carrying only one OH group. Here is only one OH group. Phenols अपन क्या है example? Here is only one OH group. ठीक है? That is why both these are monohydric alcohols. That is they are carrying only one OH group. Second one is dihydric alcohols. That is they are carrying two OH groups. CH2OH, CH2OH. ठीक है? और take example of phenol. ठीक है ना? Two OH groups are present. Here two OH groups are present. So these are dihydric alcohol and it is dihydric phenol. हे dihydric alcohol आहे आणि हे dihydric phenol. काय definition आहे? It carries two OH groups. Next one is third one, that is trihydric. Trihydric alcohols or phenols. Trihydric alcohols or phenols. ठीक है? Simple. That is carrying three OH groups. Three OH groups. COH, 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 CH2, CH2, CH. Is it clear? So this is trihydric alcohol. That is carrying alcohol carrying three OH groups. Trihydric alcohols. and if we take OH here, OH here, OH here, then it will be trihydric phenol. Trihydric phenol. So, depending upon the number of OH groups, alcohols or phenols can be classified into 3 types. Monohydric, that is carrying 1 OH group, dihydric, that is carrying 2 OH groups, and trihydric, that is carrying 3 OH groups. Now, we are going to see the classification of alcohols depending upon hybridization of carbon to which OH group is attached. Hybridization of carbon to which OH group is attached. Okay, so next way or second type of classification, that is depending upon hybridization of carbon to which OH group is attached. म्हणजे OH ग्रुप ज्या कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच्ड आहे त्या कार्बन ॲटमचं हायब्रिडायझेशन काय आहे, म्हणजे तो sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड आहे, sp2 हायब्रिडाइज्ड आहे, कोणता आहे, ह्याच्या आधारे आपण त्यांचं काय करतोय सांगा, क्लासिफिकेशन करतोय. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट वर्ड. ठीक आहे. सो by this way alcohols can be classified into 4 different types. That is alcohols carrying CsP3OH bond, then allylic alcohols, benzylic alcohols and vinylic alcohols, that is nothing but CsP2OH bond. These alcohols carries CsP2OH bond. Okay? And this is carrying CsP3OH bond. Okay. Simple. In these alcohols, OH group is attached. OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is basically alcohol. ठीक है, जे आपण स्टडी करणार आहे त्याच्यावर आपण कॉन्संट्रेट करणार आहे हा टाइप. OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Is it clear? These are the alcohols carrying sp3 hybridized carbon atom to which OH group is attached. Simple example घेऊयात आपण CC हे H. ठीक है. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized to which OH group is attached. That is why it is nothing but the alcohol carrying CsP3OH bond. So basically हे काय माहिती का, अल्केनचे हायड्रॉक्सिल डेरिव्हेटिव्हज आहेत. सो अल्केन मधनं एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम जर OH ने रिप्लेस केला तर आपण त्यांना काय म्हणतो सांगा, अल्कोहोल्स. ठीक आहे. सो ह्याच्यामध्ये काय झालंय फक्त लक्षात घ्या, इथे हे इथेन इथेन मधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम रिप्लेस झालाय कशाने सांगा, चला पटकन OH. सो यांचा आपला जनरल फॉर्म्युला लिहिता येणार अगदी सोपं आहे. अल्केनचा जनरल फॉर्म्युला काय, CnH2n+2 आहे. याच्याऐवजी फक्त काय करायचं, +1 म्हणायचं आणि पुढे म्हणायचं काय सांगा, OH. CnH2n+1 OH, or another words we can say that CnH2n+2. एक हायड्रोजन कमी झाला तर एक हायड्रोजन ऍड झाला +2 आणि पुढे फक्त काय म्हणायचं, ऑक्सिजन. हा एक वे आहे किंवा CnH2n+1 आणि पुढे काय म्हणायचं सांगा, OH. दिस इज जनरल फॉर्म्युला. जनरल रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑब्वियसली ROH असणार आहे. आता ह्याचे 3 टाइप्स आहेत आपल्याला. 3 टाइप्स आर देयर. We all know that is primary alcohol, then secondary alcohol, and final one is tertiary alcohol. We all know primary alcohol means what, the OH group is attached to the primary carbon. Secondary alcohol means what, the OH group is attached to the secondary alcohol. Simple, secondary carbon. And tertiary alcohol means what, the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon. हे आपण स्टडी केलेलं आहे ऑलरेडी. तरी मी एक एक्झाम्पल ड्रॉ करतो. CH3 CH2OH. This carbon is primary, so it is primary alcohol. Now CH3 C CH3OH. Now this carbon is secondary carbon because it is attached to the 2 other carbon atoms. It is attached to only 1 other carbon atom, so it is primary. It is secondary carbon. Primary carbon ला OH attached म्हणजे primary alcohol. Secondary CH3OH. Tertiary carbon ला OH attached म्हणजे tertiary alcohol. So if hydroxyl group is attached to the primary carbon, then it is primary alcohol. If hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon, then it is secondary alcohol. And if hydroxyl group is attached to the tertiary carbon, then it is tertiary alcohol. Clear है? First टाइप हे जास्त का नाही सांगितलं कारण प्रायमरी सेकंडरी टर्शियरी ऑलरेडी आपण हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मध्ये पाहिले. नाउ अलिलिक अल्कोहोल्स सिंपल आहे. अलिलिक अल्कोहोल्स जो डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन आहे त्याचा नेक्स्ट जो कार्बन असतो त्या कार्बनला आपण काय म्हणतो अलिलिक कार्बन. सो OH group is attached to the allylic carbon, that is carbon adjacent to the double bond. Carbon adjacent to the double bond. So basically CH2 double bond CH2 आणि OH. लक्षात घ्या. This carbon is allylic carbon. आणि हे जे अल्कोहोल मिळाले हे तुम्हाला मी सांगायचं पटकन allylic carbon. So the carbon which is adjacent to the double bonded carbon is called as allylic carbon, and if the OH group is attached to the allylic carbon, then the alcohol is called as काय सांगा allylic alcohol. जर OH group हा allylic carbon ला अटॅच्ड असेल तर त्या अल्कोहोलला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे allylic alcohol. allylic carbon कोणाला म्हणायचं कार्बन adjacent to the double bonded carbon, कार्बन next to the double bonded carbon. double bonded carbon ला adjacent carbon जो असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो allylic carbon, and that alcohol is called as allylic alcohol. Is it clear? Second type of the alcohols. Now let's move to the third type, benzylic alcohols. Simple. OH group is attached to benzylic carbon, that is carbon next to benzene ring. बेन्झिलिक कार्बन म्हणजे काय बेन्झीन रिंगला अटॅच असणारा कार्बन डायरेक्टली तो बेन्झिलिक कार्बन, आणि त्या कार्बनला जर OH ग्रुप अटॅच असेल then that alcohol is called as benzylic alcohol. I will draw a structure here. This is benzylic carbon and here जर OH अटॅच असेल it is benzylic alcohol. So this carbon is benzylic carbon or benzylic position. And if OH group is attached to the benzylic carbon, then it is called as benzylic alcohol. Then it is called as benzylic alcohol. Did you get that? And last type, very important, vinyl alcohol or vinylic alcohols. That is, if hydroxyl group is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon, OH group is attached to double bonded carbon, that is sp2 hybridized carbon. OH group is attached to the double bonded carbon, then the alcohol is called as vinylic alcohol. Simple है, CH2 double bond CH2. जर ह्या CH ला OH attached असेल, then it is called as vinyl alcohol or vinylic alcohol. If OH group is attached to double bonded carbon, then the alcohol is called as vinylic alcohols. Is it clear? So in this way, we have classified the alcohols depending upon the hybridization of the carbon to which OH group is attached into 4 types. So in this way, we have studied alcohols, phenols, ethers, introduction and classifications of all of them. In the next lecture, we are going to start with the nomenclature. Thank you.